Hello again, and welcome to another installment of the Intense Alaska Wilderness Experience. And today I've come out here to Birch Lake, which is about somewhere between Saltcha, Alaska and Big Delta, Alaska. And as you can see, I've already rolled it out and about ready to put it up. It's a 12 by 15 foot tent with 7 feet of headroom, and I'm out here by myself, so I got to put it up by myself. So I thought I'd have a cup of my specially brewed coffee that I made before I got started here. Something to give me a little extra oomph there so that I can get this thing done. Um, I haven't put this tent up for a while, and I know I've been able to get it up by myself before in under 10 minutes. But like I say, it's been a while and I've forgotten a few things, but I'm going to go ahead and take a crack at it as soon as this coffee kicks in. Um, let's go ahead and get started here. And I don't know, it should be kicking in any second here. Actually, my watch isn't keeping accurate time. Take a look at the cell phone here. Yep. Okay. So, yeah, there we go. Now we're talking. Yeah. Get going here on this thing. It's got 3 poles that go on the roof, and pole in each corner, and another pole on each side, and that's about all there is to it. And, yeah, that's good coffee. Once you get your mind set to it, pretty straightforward. And, it helps if you got help, but what the heck, if you can't do it by yourself, then what's the point? This is a really nice tent. Um, I was just in Sam's Club one day about 9 years ago, and they had one up on display, a little model of it, not the actual tent, but I looked at it and I said, boy, it looks pretty nice. So I went ahead and got one. Um, Came out here, actually did come out here to Birch Lake and set it up, and some people saw it, saw how nice it was, and they jumped in their car. They literally got in their car and drove back to Fairbanks and bought the same tent. Um, it was a pretty nice deal. I think I paid about $125 for it, if I'm not mistaken, but it's turned out to be a real good tent. Boy, that's some good coffee. Anyway, uh, 12 by 15 floor, little over 7 feet of headroom. Um, has a nice screened in area there, and it's almost like the back half of it is almost like being in a separate tent. And lots of windows. You open those windows up, it's almost like being outside. And you close those windows up, and they pretty much keep out all the rain unless you're in one of those situations where it's been raining for a couple of days. If it's been raining a lot, eventually it'll leak, and so you might want to have an extra tarp handy that you can string up or at least throw over the top. But she's a darn good tent. It's got these bay windows in it that need to be reinforced a little bit there to give them some shape. A lot of little small things that you need to do to get this tent set up proper, but when it's done, it really makes for a really nice tent. You really shouldn't drink a whole lot of that coffee right at once. I just had the 1 cup, but it really gets the job done. So all in all, a really nice tent. I got another video there where I'll let you see what it's really like when it's all set up. I think you'll like it. It's a really good tent. See you around, and have a good day.